But look at this. You guys remember I said that's what you gotta have, guys. You saw his rig, it'll hurt some feelings. If you're doing buildings, 12 volt is not the way. I say it all the time. It opens doors. You don't know what kind of doors. We met up from YouTube. It's a bit of a weird video. Good afternoon, YouTube. It's Eric with Precision Pressure Wash of Central Florida. So we've been here all day washing this building. Those streaks are the gray paint. Very oxidized. This was originally washed by a drone first time. All this is just paint. All that we got on video on the pre-walkthrough. But the building's huge, guys. It's freaking hot. So this job's been really, really hard on us. Everything's double hit. A lot of glass here. It's coming out good. When we washed the first side and those streaks didn't come all the way off, and I told them that it was the paint. We rinsed everything down really good. And then I went in and got the property manager and came out and walked around, and I was letting him know what was going on, because if he didn't like it, we were gonna stop there and I was gonna have to just take a loss. But he told me to keep going because he saw what I did at the other building and he knows I'm not trying to BS. So guys, I can tell you, we ain't doing this with the 4 GPM. So the cool thing about this is brought in somebody that watches the channel. Here he is over here. This is Gunnar from Baha Soft Wash. Check him out. He does Instagram. What are you on?
Instagram, Facebook, YouTube,
all right.
A little bit of everything.
Check him out. He does short form, but he gets tons of views. So here we are. I'll show you his rig. You guys remember I said, if you saw his rig, it'll hurt some feelings. So we'll go check that out when we're done here. But I think we got from that window and then just the front, guys. And this has been, I'm not even gonna lie, this has been a lot of hinky stuff. Let me show you some of this paint stuff we're dealing with. The oxidation is real. So those gray streaks, we think, me and Gunnar think it's when they wash it with the drones that they didn't rinse, or they didn't rinse good because of the way stuff is. But we haven't done anything out here, guys. This is already all like this. This was the oxidation we're talking about, but look at this. So there's been some hinky stuff throughout the job, and then like some unplanned stuff. Like we literally ripped the whole front with 2%, thought those streaks were organic, went back, ripped it with 3, and nothing happened. But we knew then that we had to change our plan of attack. But guys, his setup's coming in clutch. He's got the remote start on the pressure washer, the Comet P, like guys, wait till you see this. So I'm gonna set it up over there. We're taking a little bit of I ain't gonna lie, guys, this is the first time I work with somebody. It's like, I just gotta focus on keeping up with the man. So here we are, home stretch. He says he's not feeling it. I'm feeling it, guys. I'm definitely feeling it, but here we are. I'll kind of just show you. This is 100 foot wide. The glass, this metal stuff, yeah, that stuff's got us on high alert too, guys. So we got on video, all these streaks are already there, a little bit of rust and stuff, because that's all stainless. It's crazy. But that's it. So you guys can't see it. I wish I could zoom in on the gray up there. There's streaks back and forth, and it had to have been the drone, which is weird. But put you on a tripod, get some footage, then I'll show you his rig. Stay tuned. that's that little piece. We might double back around and just spritz the windows. You know how we do it. But we're gonna come on over here now and find a nice shady place for the camera so it doesn't overheat. Guys, I don't think about ordering new batteries until I'm at work and my batteries get low fast and I don't have any backup. So bear with me, we're trying to do a little bit of a video. This job has been hard. Tons of thinking, tons of focus, but we're winding down here. He's just giving this a pre-wet, guys. This is all metal. You gotta be careful. This is freaking Florida, Central Florida, end of June, stuff's cooking. right, guys, we're done. I'm gassed. I ain't felt like this in a while. He says he's ready to wash another one. But we're gonna go ahead and do a quick once over of his trailer just to show you guys. And he built all this himself, guys, so I don't, we're not gonna tell you how much it is or any of that, but I want you guys to see this is the kind of stuff you need to do this, though. This is one day. Maybe it would have took other people less, but it took us a whole day. But here we go. So I'll ask a couple questions. Is that the 12?
That's 12.
Okay, so this is a 12, guys. This is new. That's his new addition. That's the 8. That's what you saw me rinsing with. And then this, that's what you gotta have, guys. If you're doing buildings, 12 volt is not the way. As far as here, I think, oh, so he has both those Siamese up, 20 GPM, guys. I held on to it earlier, it's for real. And that's it. I mean, you see it, guys. We met up from YouTube. I say it all the time, it opens doors. You don't know what kind of doors. It's not like you're gonna get work from it all the time, but like, we built a relationship. I'm not outgoing at all, but since I met him, I called him and it worked out. So we knocked it out of the park, bro. We knocked it out of the park. Guys, I ain't gonna lie, I'm effed. So I'm gonna let him go because we had a hard day. I am coming back tomorrow just to do these pillars. That's gonna be walk in the park after this, but there it is, guys. I mean, look at that thing. Unreal. He still has a 12 volt too. You gotta grind to get one of those. Guys, his YouTube is Baha Soft Wash. He's gonna do a full walkthrough of this trailer soon. So if you wanna see the real deal, you gotta go to his channel. But for now, there's the preview. Till next time, guys, peace.